Look, if your bank account makes you nervous every time you open it, this video is for you. You're doing the math in your head like, okay, if nothing breaks, I'm fine. And something always breaks. My name is Alex, and I spend way too much time thinking about side hustles and personal finance. If you're someone who needs extra cash now, not someday, make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. People think making $1,000 fast means scams or grinding nonstop. That assumption is wrong. Almost 40% of adults can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. This isn't about laziness. It's about cash flow. And once you fix cash flow, stress drops fast. Let's break down $1,000. 2 weeks, $1,000, that's about $72 a day. Your brain panics at $1,000, but it can handle 72. That mental shift matters. I didn't chase multiple hustles. I picked one boring thing, helping small businesses fix small problems. What I actually did? I offered simple cleanup work. Websites are loading slowly, broken forms, and messy spreadsheets. I charged $150 per job. 7 clients, that's it. I sent short, direct messages like, hey, I noticed your site loads slowly on mobile. I can fix it this week for $150. No pitch deck, no branding, just value. Psychology behind why this works. Now you might be thinking, I'm not an expert. Neither am I, and that's the trap. We overestimate how skilled we need to be and underestimate how much people value speed and reliability. Think of it like this. You don't hire a plumber because they love pipes. You hire them because your sink is broken right now. Same thing here. If you think you don't have time, this took about 1 to 2 hours per client, but what if they say no? They will. Most will. And that's fine. You only need a few yeses. Here's what most people don't realize. Rejection feels personal, but in money, it's just math. What to do today? Pick one simple skill you already have. Find people who already pay to save time. Set a clear price. Work backwards from a daily dollar goal. Look, extra income isn't about hustling harder. It's about thinking more clearly. Once you see money as a solvable problem instead of luck, everything changes. If this helped you, do subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I break down real practical money moves like this every week, and if you want a follow-up video on the exact scripts I used, drop a comment below.